Hey there. When was the last time you were in West Melbourne, Florida? I'll tell you the last time I was there right now. And I am ready to tell you all about the house that we are about to list. Hi, my name is Corinna Daninger with Keller Williams in Brevard, Florida. And I have a spectacular home that's hitting the market tomorrow. We just finished with the photographers and well, they left. So it's time for me to show you a little preview of what's coming on. Let me tell you about the street that we are on. It is McClain Drive. If you've heard that name from me before, well, that's because, let's see, the one across the street, we sold that 2-story house over there. We closed that in November for $308,000. Down the street, you take a left. That one's 211 McClain. That one's closing on Friday. So, of course, it only makes sense that we are back here again. This one is 291 McClain Drive. It is a cute home on a very nice, quiet street. I love this street. Right behind the house, about a half a mile, you will be on 192. There's a Starbucks there, so you could actually swing through it on your way to work or swing a left and you'll be down to Wawa. We're around the corner from well, all the shopping and dining you could possibly want. The Melbourne Square Mall is right behind us as well. And then, of course, you have lots of shops. We're 15 minutes to the ocean, which is spectacular. And all of our various engineering companies like Lockheed Martin, Harris, Northrop, Grumman, they're all right around the corner as well. Melbourne Airport is 5 minutes away. Orlando is 1 hour. So let me take you into this home. It is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, split floor plan. And if you remember from my other videos, split floor plan means master is on one side and the other bedrooms are on the other. It is also a very big open floor plan with nice high ceilings, ceiling fans throughout. You first walk in, over here is your formal dining room. And let me step back for a second so you can see the cool little cutouts. So just a little bit of architecture detail to give the dining room a purpose instead of just flowing into all the other rooms. When I swing to the right, you have your formal sitting room. You can turn it into an office, another TV room. It's got really nice windows. The view, you can see how lush and green everything is. That's the nice thing about Florida this time of year, is that we have so much great lighting and the grass is so pretty. It is also growing like crazy. You have a nice coat closet here. It's very deep. You have your family room here, which is huge. Can you see? Let me step back to, I'm like not even by the door yet, and you can just see how big that space is. When we swing around, we'll come up to this sliding glass door, which will go out in a few minutes and take a peek at that nice, inviting swimming pool. But over here is your kitchen. And I love the kitchen. It flows right back into that living room. So you can put some bar stools up here. There's room on this side for a nice little table, eating kitchen. When we swing it back over this way, you can see lots of cabinets, counter space, beautiful gas, double oven, cooktop stove and oven. You have a very nice stainless steel double door drawer on the bottom, refrigerator, pantry to the right, and more cabinet space over there. Decent deep sink and the Frigidaire dishwasher. So all the appliances are almost brand new, which is very nice. You have another storage closet over here. In here would be our laundry room. Oops. And the laundry room is a nice space in here. Behind this door is the garage, but we're not going to go in the garage right now. And well, it's nice to have the laundry right off the kitchen before going into the garage. It's great. All right, now this is the master bedroom. I just want to show you how high these ceilings are. And nice windows. This is a king size bed with big furniture, and there's still plenty of space for jazzercise on the floor. You can see back that way to the door and more big furniture. And this room is actually a very large room. We come into the master bath and you have a nice vanity, a very large walk-in closet. They never show up right on the cell phones, but you kind of get the idea. It's a deep walk-in closet. And then you have your garden tub. And then of course you have your walk-in shower and your toilet behind a closed door, so you can actually close the door and someone could be in here brushing their teeth or whatever. And behind that door goes out to the pool, but we'll get there later. There are 3 entrances to the pool. So this one is from the master. You saw the sliding glass door, and then there's one around the other side by the other bathroom, which is great because who wants all that water tracked in on the floors, people slipping and falling when they're wet? And they can literally go from the pool to one of the 2 bathroom entrances, or if it's really important, you can come through that sliding glass door and get a nice cool beverage from the kitchen. All right, now that we're on the other side, remember, split floor plan. What we got going on here is bedroom number 2. And here you go. You can see a nice size floor, nice windows, ceiling fan, and then you have a deep closet right as you come in and out of the room. We go down the hallway and go left, and we come up to the next bedroom. This one's a little bit bigger, ceiling fan, another nice window, double door closet. This one's a little bigger, wider at least. And we're going to keep going down to the last bedroom, bedroom number 4. It's about the same size as the last bedroom we were just in, ceiling fan. We did have a big estate sale here. John Lawton with Knick Knack Paddywhack. Thanks for all your hard work. He not only did the estate sale, but he staged the place as well. So if you ever want his contact info, let me know. I'm happy to pass him out. He does an amazing job. Okay, and then this is bathroom number 2, and it has a nice vanity, sink, the mirror, light package, and then the tub shower combo. And I love the tub shower that is in here. It's all one piece, so there's no grout to clean. So if you want to make your cleaning more simplified, this is a great shower for that. So I keep telling you I'm going to show you this pool. Let's go out this side door, and voila, we are now at the pool. See how great that is? You can send your company to the restroom right off this bath, right out the side of the pool. Okay, so now we're over by the pool. It is nice and enclosed. Look how pretty that sky is. I love living in Florida. Oh my gosh, it's paradise, and I get to help sell a piece of it every day. So hopefully someone will be buying this house very soon and having, look at this amazing tile that was put down around the pool. This is very expensive tile that was used, and it's beautiful. You have a nice backyard, beautiful mature trees and landscaping. Just really, really nice. Nice deep pool. There it is, back around the back of the house. You have plenty of space to put barbecuers and tables and chairs to put your feet up on. Jump in and out of that pool and cool off. Sit in the pool with your beverage and relax and enjoy the Florida living lifestyle that we all, as locals, love this time of year. So there it is. Now, this house is amazing, especially at this price. So I know it's not going to last very long. And I need your help, please. If you can, get the word out. Like and share this video. I'd greatly appreciate it. It'll be out on my YouTube channel later for those who don't use Facebook or Twitter or LinkedIn, because it will be there too. It's Corinna Sells Homes on YouTube. This is Corinna Daninger. Help me sell this home, please. 321-693-2482. All my details are in the beginning of this video typed up. If you have any questions, let me know. I will post the actual MLS listing when we go live. Have a great day.